final artist will change that.
My name is Sarah Simmons. I'm from Memphis, Tennessee, and I'm 22 years old. I'm studying music at Visible Music College in Memphis, Tennessee. Because it's such a great opportunity, the president of my music school let me leave college to come audition for The Voice.
Got it. Good. Good.
I know I was born to sing. My mom used to play the guitar and sing, and my dad's been a musician since I was young. Music has been such a release for me in so many hard times. My dad was in and out of my life due to addiction to drugs. My parents got divorced. It was really hard to see my family fall apart, but my dad has been clean for 3 years, which is incredible.
The only advice I can give you is just be yourself.
Yeah.
Because you have a natural talent and you will touch hearts when you sing, so just do your best.
So proud of you.
I'm singing One of Us by Joan Osborne. This song means a lot to me. I am so grateful to be able to sing this song today with my dad here. I can't wait.
Come on, Sarah. Come on, baby.
If God had a name, what would it be, and would you call it to his face? If you were faced with him in all his glory, what would you ask if you had just one question? If God had a face, what would it look like, and what you wanna see? If seeing it through, you have to believe in things like heaven and in Jesus and the saints and all the prophets. And yeah, God is great. And yeah.
Listen to her.
Trying to make his way home. Just trying to make his way home. Just trying to make his way home.
Oh, my word.
Wow. What's your name?
My name is Sarah Simmons.
That was incredible.
Thank you so much.
You 150% you can win this show. I know you can. I only really fight for the ones that I'm dying to have.
What are you talking about?
I know that I can do this with you. I just know that I can do it. That's it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You know what? I think you can win this thing, and you may be in my top 3 singers I have ever heard audition for The Voice.
Wow, thank you very much.
I mean that, Sarah.
Wow.
I mean that.
You have 2 amazing elements in your voice. One is the softness and the sentiment that your voice carries, but at the same time you can go really raspy and dirty and hit those high notes with all the intensity that they require, and that is what American radio needs today. And what you need is only a female coach.
Oh, here we go.
And I'm your girl. I'm your ticket to winning this show.
Thank you.
Well, as everybody squabbles over you, I'll be the first to say that you were shocking, and you sang with such conviction and passion. Where are you from?
I'm living in Memphis, Tennessee.
Wow. Yeah, I'm from Tennessee, too. You know that?
Woo!
Me too. Me too.
I'll be from wherever you want me to be.
Hey, I'm from Tennessee.
You got all 4 of us to press our buttons. Now it's time to pick a coach.
Pick one! Pick one! Blood! Pick I'm gonna pick Adam. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Thank you.
Sarah is not of this earth. The girl has got that thing, that talent, that beautiful quality that you either have it or you don't. And man, she's got it in spades. It's unreal. She is magic. I cannot wait to work with her.
I like her a lot.
You're incredible.
Thank you.
Incredible.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you, though. Thank you so very much. Bless you.
I'm depressed.
Amazing.
I was gonna choose Blake, but then my gut was like, Adam. I love rock music, so I really feel like he'll be able to help me stay with the soft stuff, but also rock too.
Way to go, you killed it.
Thank you.
On night 2 of